How do you like to imagine and design pieces for CNC routing? Do you prefer to start with an ideal model and then wrestle with your design to make it manufacturable? Or do you design with manufacturing front of mind, thinking of each piece as a set of machine operations? For those of you who align with the manufacturing-centric approach or want to try it, I've created a new plugin for Rhino and Grasshopper called FlatCap. With FlatCap, you draw curves depicting profile cuts, pocket boundaries and engraving lines on layers where each layer corresponds to a specific router bit and depth. FlatCap interprets those and generates 3D objects showing what those pieces would look like after milling in the form of new polysurfaces that are created directly above the curves. With the ideal model approach, designing with 3D models first might mean that you need to repeatedly alter the 3D objects as you realize, after passing through CAM tools, that some aspects can't be milled as you'd hoped. Even if you only designed with the angles and the radii that you know the machine is capable of, you might still miss things, like the semicircle end sweeps the router bits make with engravings. In contrast, FlatCap offers an iterative workflow where you draw curves on specific layers, then have FlatCap generate the 3D objects that you can assemble to form your product. If it needs more work, you can go and change the curves or layers, which is easier than changing 3D objects, and have FlatCap generate the 3D objects again, and so on. Once you're happy with the design, you already have a manufacturable blueprint that you or a machine operator can use to program a CNC machine using CAM tools. FlatCap keeps you close to the capabilities and constraints of the machine during design, but away from having to deal with all the other details that come with using CAM tools. It saves needing the CAM tools for the very end when it comes time to manufacture. The plugin is available now on Package Manager and offers free simulations for pieces with profile and pocket cuts. It delegates simulations for pieces with engraving lines to a new Rhino Compute web service I'm building. If you want to enable this for your complex blueprints, send me a message and I can connect you. This plugin is only in its alpha stage and will evolve with feedback, so if you want to be part of this journey, give it a try.